Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Universe, and today I'm playing Attack on Albert. This is my first video on YouTube, so I'm gonna start off with a banger. And yeah, so we're gonna be getting on this little thing with EEV and Fortnite for you. People some weird shell face. Oh, the shell face is actually pretty creepy. Look at that. Terrifying, hellish creature of hell. Terrifying. Done. So in the wall, I'm guessing we're in the game now. What? Trash game? This ain't no trash game. Attack on Albert. So my brother's here harassing me.
Why you became harassing me?
Because I'm gonna put this out of the video, Denver.
You can't even edit.
Hey you, to find me ways.
Or you can't.
Maybe trying to do voices for these guys. You're really lucky we found you before they did. Where were you kids outside the walls? We wanted to go camping. Boy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Felipe. Oh. Oh my God, that's terrifying. Demon. What did you do? There's two of them. No. Name it that. Oh my. Jesus Christ. I ain't gonna make it. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. What? No, how am I I can't make it. No. No.
Oh, that's not I've ever heard.
No. Wow. Wow. What?
How you gonna edit that? How you gonna edit yourself? You're not gonna edit yourself. And don't go online down there and editing software. This is still help. Free help. This is help. I bet.
I can redo it again. No. No. Ah. Oh, I guess this is our new team. We're gonna get launched. Let's go, brothers. Let's go, universes. I can call you that now. The universes. Universes. Trash cans for them. Attack on Albert. Alberto ate a child. Wow. Such an evil thing to do. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Ha 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 ha. Eat the child. Love it. Okay. Get it. Oh my. So it's that. So what Felipe is going to spawn from there? Yeah, we were just out there trying things. Jesus Christ. It's here, it's here, it's here. Jesus Christ! Ah, oh my, Jesus Christ! Run! Run, people! People, run! Ah! Ah! Run! It's here! It's be here! It's throwing bolters at us. Let's all get out of here. Jesus Christ! There's more of them! There's more! Let's where do I have to be? I have to go here. Gotta go! Gotta go! I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Unless this thing kills me. A beautiful mountain. A, a baldening, bacon hair. Close doors! The demons are gonna in. Wait, activation. What? It's evacuation? Whoa. Close the doors, people. No! They got Chillington. No. Chillington. You can make it, Chillington. Oh yeah, wow. Mad skills. That boy got skills. Ha. Skills. You are all in very big town. Sergeant Major, Lieutenant, Captain, Commander, Sir. What is it? Said Mitch Chillington. Kyle. Ow, has gone missing. We need you to go. I want is your punishment. To help me find Albert. Right. You risk our lives just so you can find some beautiful Albert. Me? I fix the system. We should probably fix that. Actually, it's trying it down. Yes! Uh-oh. Somebody forgot to disable the trap. Quickly, get cookies. This guy died, and, like, right after he died, the platforms respawned. That's a badass trick. Wow. East side, boss. Or east side. Mr. Chillington, good job, everyone. But be warned. I have low health, so I have to be warned. Beyond this door lies the most powerful thing you have ever faced. Bum, bum, bum! We have come to see Albert. Let us pass. Dot, dot, dot. It's an Eddie person. don't wanna to pass even lost defeat me. An edgy person. Ooh. A tic-tac-toe. You look disgusting. The rules are simple. Get 3 in a row, and you can win. I'll go first. Oh. We can work together. What? No! You wanna put like that? Uh, uh, you have proven yourself to me. Is it blood? Blood? Dun, dun, dun! I found something. Albert was recording a video. Well then, let's see him record. I can't even dance. Oh, he's recording. I'm recording him recording. A demon. Whoa. What? Whoa, bro. Ah, a monster took Albert. Move then, brother. Can you guys hear that? They're calling me. The city's a being. Oh. City under attack. Bum bum. Run dun. Run dun. Run dun. Run bum. Run dun. Straight up, boy. Boom, straight to room dead. It's always been my passion to make Roblox videos. I've been making more than just, you know. I'm like, I will make some other videos than this. But like right now, this is the only videos I can make. And I can play that. I can play Flash games and all that. These free games. Yep, I don't have money. Oh my god, Albert turned into a titan. It's colossal Albert. Whoa, Jesus Christ, it's a demon. A hellish creature. Albert. Let's go kill this man. You're dead. You're dead. These creatures are in the city. We must kill them.